Hello, everyone. Hello. We're live. I think we're live. Are we live? I don't know. I don't know. Let me ping the Discord server here. News. I'm live. Whoops. I accidentally sent the message before I finished typing it. Don't look at that, guys. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. I'm doing it again. Making a new game. Exclamation point. Stream link. There we go. Okay. Hi, everyone. Hi, Potato Lizard. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Baller. Hi, Astro. Hi, D. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Sparky. Hi, people. Hi, Andy. Fastest reactor in the West. Hi, TT Crazy Fox. Hi, the Justice Player. Hi, Lunatic Cultist. What the heck? Hi, Dumb Potato. Hi, Mason. Hi, Alafandri. Hi, Polsky. Larai. L-T. Cornifer Caves. The Burger. Gonster. None other than Smash Artist. Owlman. Derpy Ninja Frog. Lucas LS019. STA does YT. Red Sword. Hi, everybody. Hi. Nico. Meeple1. Phil Rocco Indy. Andy010. Reading out all a bunch of people's names from the chat. There's a lot of people. Is this Jelly Game number 3? No. I will explain. Haga Girlfriend 2. Hoga GF 2. Didn't get a hi. Bought to go cry. No. Not allowed. So we're gonna do something. Oh yeah, the member name is outdated because it's just Red Sword now. Let me fix that. Let me fix that. Let me find you in the thing here. Red Sword. Bink. There you go. It's updated. Yay. New game. Interesting. Thanks, Fairlii, for inspiring me. Starting a little game and making about alchemy and learning pixel art in the process. Congratulations. I hope that that's going well and that you're having a fun time with that. Is it starting or over? It's starting. It's starting. I'm waiting for everybody to come in to the stream. First thing I want to ask you guys is what did you think about... Oh my god, this song just got really loud all of a sudden. What did you guys think about my latest video that I just uploaded? Was it good? Was it great? Was it bad? Was it okay? Was it mid? It was good. Nice. So while you guys type that, let me explain for what we're going to do today. And I'm going to explain what we're going to do today by switching over to a new little section. What am I saying? We're gonna switch over to this screen, the what if it screen. Now, you may be wondering, what in the heck is a what if it? And what are these question marks and other things? What is going on? What is happening? Video James. What if it is going to be a new game that I'm making specifically for live streams. So I know a lot of you are concerned about me making yet another video game, but this video game is not going to be made for like commercial purposes. I'm not making a game to sell it. I'm going to be making a game for the sake of the stream, for the sake of it being funny and entertaining. And how What If It works is it is going to be a generic platforming game where you can move, you can run, you can jump, you can attack enemies, you can collect coins, and then you can get to the ending of the level, which is a little button, and when you press the button, you beat the level. However, how this is going to work is we have this right section over here with the modifiers. You can see the question marks on the right side with the 3 little dots, and those are the modifiers for the stream. And how this works is every single time I stream, the What If It game starts off at the beginning with nothing changed to it, just a generic level with a character, an enemy, coins, and a finish. And when we do the stream, everybody can type in chat different ideas for what they would want to happen, and we can mix and match them. And so basically every single stream there is going to be different crazy random things going on. So does that make sense? Does that make sense? So every single stream, we're going to be taking the What If It game and just making it something completely crazy. I'm going to be coding awfully. I'm going to be coding as quick as I can, drawing awful art, doing horrible monstrosities and terrible things that game developers shouldn't do. Oh, got my girlfriend too just became a member. Thank you so much for becoming a member. This is a good time for me to plug the members. If you want to support my channel and get things like a cool icon next to your name, and also be able to use stream-only emotes and get my videos early, and other cool things like that, special behind-the-scenes stuff, check out the join button or the link in the description to become a member. You could become a member for as low as $2 a month, $1.99. So now we gotta go back here now, because we have to add, we gotta add good ol' Hogguff 2 to the member list. There they are. Oh, they're on the member list. I'm gonna let it scroll, so then I can see it. It's scrolling. Dang, we got a lot of members. Wow, that's crazy. It's scrolling. I see it. There it is. Congratulations. Thank you. So, I'm going to show you what I've gotten so far. Make the top 3 requested features a poll. First thing could be banana. Just a banana. We just add a banana. Mostly so you could try pronouncing my name again. Hoggoff. So, there's no frog for this stream, sadly, because I was working on stuff. But I can show you what I have so far for the game. I did some nice little art here. You'll have to tell me what you think about this art. Because I try to do something a little bit different and interesting here. So here you have What If It. This is What If It. Cute little fella here. And then we have just a general tile set. We have some grass tiles and a couple of variants with different like little dirt blocks. Some dirt blocks. And then we have these like above ground blocks. And then like floating bridgey type blocks. And then this is what what's gonna be like the collectible, like a coin. It kind of looks like a hamburger. And then we have the button, which is the end of the level. You press this button to complete the level. And then we have the enemy, which is like a robot What If It. A scary robot. The art is good, but might need some shading. I specifically made the art to not have shading. That's the style that I'm going for. Because the reason why the style is like this is because I want to be able to do everything very quickly in the streams. So if I need to make some art, I won't have to worry about doing shading or anything. I can just really quick draw it. Like if we wanted to make this button pressed, we could just like kind of, you know, go over here and just do like, I don't know, what would this button look like pressed? Like this? Like now it's a pressed button. Did you work in a color palette? If so, what one? It looks cool. I use the same color palette. I think it's called Pear 36. Looks like this. I've modified it and added some extra colors and stuff to it. Add blocks from Super Mario. Sorry, I'm reading chat. Okay. So I also have opened up here blah, 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 the project, and it's very similar to Norio, which, by the way, Norio, I decided that Norio was a great idea, but there's a few reasons why I don't want to make Norio anymore. Number one is I don't want Nintendo to come for me and have to ruin the stream. Number two, I mean, I doubt that would happen, but it's still a possibility. Actually, there's a few different reasons. Number two would be, I don't know, like, Norio was like a cool idea. I don't know. Wasn't feeling the greatest. And also, the third and the biggest reason why was because I was trying to make the code like really fancy and work and stuff, but I think what if it will work better for streams. Thank you for super chatting to, is that pounds? The Eagle Dev, thank you. Oh, I have to read your name funny. Wait, is that pounds or euros? If it's pounds, then I can read it. The Eagle Dev. But if those are euros, then the Eagle Dev, I don't know. That's a euro? Oh, dang it. It's pounds. Pounds? See, I knew that was a pound. Yeah. So, what if it works good because we can make it really quickly and I can make the code really ugly since we're restarting every single time. So we can do everything all quick and stuff. So let's start with this. Euros are a fancy E. Works well, not works good. Listen, who cares? Let's first off start by making this. We're gonna rename this. Oh, thank you for the two pounds, lunatic cultist. Will you be able to pet the jelly? Yeah, I'm gonna make it so that you can pet the jelly in jelly fields. Yeah. You'll just, when you click it, it'll just have a heart pop up. Maybe if one of these times for what if it will add jellies. How's it going? Hi, Lazy Alarm. How are you? It's going okay. It's going nice. We're gonna make what if it here. Whoa, I've gotten caps lock. I meant to do that. And type of game is it going to be? It's going to be a crazy type of game. I need to find my folder that I was working in. The game is going to be a platformer, but it's gonna get crazy. Okay. I have exported what if it, and I'm now going to go over here and then go over here. Also, guys, I'm working on a new video. The members already got a sneak peek on this video, but hey, Fairlii, did you play around with the kind of new input systems? I'm afraid of it. Honestly, I'm afraid of the input system. Let me tell you guys that are in the stream about my upcoming video. And it's gonna be a good one, honestly. Gonna be a banging video. So I'm working on a video where I bought several products from an app slash website that a lot of you may have heard of called Temu. And it's one of those drop shipping kind of like you get things cheap and they're like knockoff. I don't want to call it knockoff. They're, you know what I mean? They're not very high quality. I decided to buy a few different products and I'm going to spend an entire day working with products from Temu. Yeah, Temu. I think I spent less than $10 on, I'll say I at least got a mouse and a keyboard and I spent less than $10. So, from China. Yeah, most likely. Fairlii merch, I have the ability to make Fairlii merch, but I don't know if there's enough of a demand for it. I would love to make some Fairlii merch. That would be great. I would rock it all the time. It'd be super cool. So we got What If It here. And what we want to do this. I know a lot of you guys actually are game developers or want to become a game developer. And if you're using Unity, I can actually explain some of the things that I'm doing for you guys. So this is a thing that I want you guys to know. If you know this already, then you know this, and that's cool. But a lot of you guys might not know this. And maybe some of you are wondering why I do some things the way that I do them. So I have What If It here, the object. This is the object right here. And you're probably wondering why I have this sprite on its own object. And that's because if I want to do any sort of animations to it, like let's say, like for... This is not going to be animated traditionally. We're not going to move the legs or anything. We're just going to make it go boing, boing, boing when you walk. When you go boing, 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 you don't want to grab the whole entire object because that's going to move the colliders and stuff and it might have some weird things. So you just want the visuals of the sprite itself to move. And also stuff if I scale it up and down, I don't want the colliders to also be getting big and doing crazy things like that. So that's why I put it on its own game object, so it doesn't screw with the rest of the object. What happened to Bomberman? That's a good comment. Thank you for that one. Yeah, wide. Maybe that's what we can do. We can have a modifier where we actually just make the entire thing wide and see what the game would be like that. So I should be able to grab my player controller script here. And then also a rigid body 2D. And then we're also going to get a box collider 2D. And this. Put it here like this. Always remember this. Make your collider a little bit smaller than your player so that the player has a little tiny bit of leeway from getting hit. Stuff like that. Now I need to remember how the heck this script works. So it needs the rigid body, so I'll do that. It needs the sprite renderer, so I'll do that. It needs an animator and it needs a ground collider. So I'm gonna do this just because this is how I do this. A lot of times, especially when I'm being lazy, just make the ground collider like a little thing like this. Then make it a trigger. And then we actually need to add a new layer here. I'm gonna call it the ground layer. And then we're gonna put this on the ground layer. You're gonna rename it as ground collider. And then we'll have to mess with the colliders, obviously, in the future. Let me go back to my project. I'm gonna grab a block here, just as test. Export. How are you guys doing? It's very, if you wonder why there's not a lot of people that stream game development, it's because it's very hard to stream game development, because you have to use your entire brain to think about what you're doing game dev wise, and trying to talk and be entertaining while also trying to code and do things like that. It's not easy. It's not easy. But what if it is going to be fun? Because not Sprite Resolver, you stinker. This one. It's going to be fun because once we have this basic part done, the rest will just be just screwing around. We're going to just rename this to test block. And we're going to put it on the ground layer, and we're going to add a box collider 2D to it. Like this. We're going to run the game, and it's more than likely going to crash. You're getting fiber optics soon. Whoa. I'm good, but it seems like I won't have time for game dev in the coming year. I'll be so busy soon. Dang, that sucks. But hopefully it's a good busy. Correct. So the anim thing. We just need to. The animator is going to be on here. So let's just shove an animator on here. Actually, let me make sure I do this when the game is in play mode. Then in here, it needs an animator. Oh yeah, we didn't even put the ground collider here. Ground collider. A ground layer is ground. Let's see if this works any better. What is this character that looks like a yellow guy in a fish costume? That's What If It. That's What If It. What If It? WADIFFIT. Da-da-da-da-da. I have been playing Jelly Fields and I found a bug. You don't lose your inventory when going on the train. That will be fixed in the next version of the game. The next version of Jelly Fields is gonna take me a minute. First of all, the next version of Jelly Fields is gonna take a minute for a few reasons. Reason number one is that I have like destroyed my mental health working on YouTube and game development for the past several years. It's not as easy as it seems, and I also suffer from a mental illness, so I have really badly overworked myself these years, and I've done a lot of stressing myself out and a lot of bad things. So I am now working on a forced schedule. I only work 3 times a week for 6 to 7 hours, and I'm basically going to try to get used to this schedule and then work my way up to working every day. But so far, it's really good, and I'm actually making a lot more progress only working 3 days a week than I was working every single day of the week, because I actually have time off to relax. And if you have a mental illness, you know this, or you probably know this because it happens, but you need a lot of rest, You need a lot of mental breaks, you need a lot of physical breaks. It's not easy. So that's the reason why there hasn't been any Jellyfields like test updates. The second reason why is because I'm doing something really fancy with it. Do you guys want to? Maybe you guys know a little bit about it, but you guys want to hear? You guys want to hear what's next for Jellyfields? It's kind of crazy, honestly. So this test block doesn't have a rigid body, which it needs, and then I need to make it. Let me see what happens. If I make it dynamic, it's just gonna go wee and fall away. Good. Static. We need to make 2, 5. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. It is not grounded. Ground collider is on ground. Is it because... I think it's this? Is this Unity? Yes. Okay, that's cool. Now it does see that it is grounded, but it's not moving. Can move. Ah, correct. Okay, we'll do it in a minute. So let me say what's going on with Jellyfields. So Jellyfields is having the gameplay changed to have a full gameplay loop that actually works and makes sense. So how the game will work now is, you know what? Should I just show you guys? How many people are here? 49? 57? Oh, listen. You guys, I've got a member, and you guys have a bunch of people have donated, and you guys are being very, very generous today. So I'll show you. I'll just show you where we're at. I'll show you where we're at, but when the next devlogs come out, it might be spoiled for you what's gonna happen, but I'll go more in depth in the devlogs, and you better watch them. I'm just gonna give you a quick little taste. The project is opening right now. We gotta wait for it to open. While we wait for it to open, I'm gonna save this, and then I need to add in preferences. That is not the right place. Project settings. Input manager. We need to just add a key here. We're gonna call it run, and we want it to be shift. What is it called? Left space shift. Oh no, wait, that's the negative. Positive button. Left shift. Okay. Okay. Let's well, where are we at? Where are we at? Unity. Okay. I can show you this. Jellyfield sneak peek. Yes, we're getting a Jellyfield sneak peek. There's a lot going on here. So here we have a working new version of the main menu. This is my idea for the finalized version of the main menu, and it's getting there, but it's not fully there yet. It's going to, so this is going to be the train, and the train is actually going to be driving through different biomes, so the background's going to be moving eventually. But you have your train with the different little buttons here, and then you click the button. And you have your different save files here. Got my 1, 2, and my 3. And then you have obviously a play and a delete button. The delete button doesn't do anything yet. But if I click the play button here, it's going to go to my train station, which there's nothing in my train station yet other than the world map. So you'll have your own train station. This is where you'll go after you complete a biome. And you'll have what is known as star rank. You could actually see the star rank here on the little postcard here. You can see my star rank. And the higher your star rank is, the more biomes you'll have unlocked. So when you play the game, you're going to go to your train station, and you're going to be able to click the world map, and this is where the map is going to be, and you'll be able to see all of the different biomes. And as you get star rank, you'll unlock new biomes, and you'll also be able to use your star rank to unlock new facilities in your train stations and other cool things like that. But then you kind of just click the biome that you want to go to. For example, I clicked the plains biome there, and then here we are in the plains biome. And you gain star rank by completing different challenges in the biome. There'll be like a challenge board, and also by cleansing corrupt objects throughout the biome. Fun stuff. That's all I'm going to show you, though. There's probably a bunch of questions that you have, but I ain't going to answer them. I'll answer a few more questions. How many types of jellies are in this game? Less than you would think. There's not going to be a ton of jellies in jelly fields. There's going to be severely less than there originally were. And the reason for that is each of the jellies are actually going to have their own special behavior and kind of just like things that switch up their gameplay. Can move, yes. For what if it does the robot character have a name? I actually have not named the robot character yet. Yay, look. Cool. I can't jump, though. I don't know why I can't jump. Let me see. I'm assuming, yeah, I have to, yeah, get button, jump. Project settings. We'll need to add a new input, and we'll call this input jump. Whoa. Jump. And then we'll make the positive button space. Will you decide to make a whole jelly series of games? I want to. The jump height is 0. Thank you. Thank you. Name the robot for what if it Robiffit. That's a good name. Someone clipped that. What was that interaction? Oh, why did I decide to make a whole jelly series of games? I love jellies. How many biomes will the game have? Less than 20. I'm trying to finish the game, okay? I'm trying to finish Jelly Fields. The friction, yeah. It's because there needs to be a... This... Can you make the jump height 100 real quick? Sure. Boing. Now there shouldn't be that crazy friction. You like this? Whoa, whoa. What are you doing, buddy? Whoa. Okay. That's always fun to mess with, but sadly I have to turn it off. To be honest, in the last stream of yours that I watched, you showed the world map sprite by accident, so it wasn't a surprise to me. I didn't do that. What if it does a backflip? Confirmed. Okay, we want to make this ground a bit bigger. Don't worry, it looks good. It looks good. So now we can actually wee. And then I don't remember how to specifically do the run stuff. Well, we need the coyote timer to be like 0.2. And can run, yes. Custom well, we want normal speed, run speed. So if my normal speed is 5, I want my run speed to be 10. We'll just double it, and then the build will do 1.5. Speed return build 1. I don't remember how this stuff works, guys. The test block is looking kind of thick, though. Thank you, Mason and Games. What is that? Mason G. What the heck was that? What in the world? What was that symbol? The font did not do that justice. Whatever that was. Mason and Games. Can I have a shout out? Shout out to you. You were on the screen and it confused me. I think I need 10. It's not returning back. Oh. Wait, what? And a moment. When I'm letting go, it's not getting rid of the custom. Hold on a second. Something silly is going on here. Run. Maybe that'll work. That is what if it. For some reason this, I gotta look at my script here to figure out what the heck is going on. This should, because it's testing to see if the button is up. Type. Oh. Aha, aha. Wow, it's working, but the return speed is like really slow. All right, the return speed. Oh, that's the build speed. That's the return speed. Okay. Got it. Figured it out. Cool. All right, now he should be working. Can you show the robot? Yeah, we're about to program the robot right now, actually. Wee! Wee! We actually want the run speed to be 5 because the move speed is 2 at the moment. Why did you decide to make the whole Jelly series of games? I already answered your question. Hi from the Norio team, and I'm here to inform you that your character has the same type of red that Norio uses, so you won't get sued. Please change it. Oh, I don't want to get sued. I think the walking speed is so slow. Let's do 2 and 8. Or 5 and 8, I mean. Okay. Let's go back to our concept here. We're gonna grab this Robo guy, which people have named Robiffit. I like Robiffit. Oh, I forgot to do 100 jump. My apologies to the person that asked for 100 jump. Jump right now is 5. Let's change it to 100. Kapoing! Oh shoot! Where'd he go? Is he coming back? I'm not touching the button, by the way. I just pressed it. There he is. What is the game going to be about? It's going to be a generic platforming game, but every single stream, we're going to turn the game into something different. Nintendo has been striking people posting Mario content lately. Not everyone, but some have been targeted, and they follow Nintendo. Whoa. Gorb? Robiffit is so good. You like Robiffit? It is I, Robiffit. Come to destroy the planet. Or something. Then we're gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do this so you guys don't look at all my files on my computer. Robiffit. Do you guys get the joke, right? I don't really do puns, but I did a pun for this game. I am assuming you guys get the pun. Then we want this to be bottom. Let us see your computer files. What if it? Yes. Okay. Okay. I knew you guys were smart. It was actually gonna be... Originally, I was gonna make it so that it was a normal game and we only modified the character, and the character's name was gonna be What If He? Like, what if he? But I decided, what if it? Because that means, like, the whole game. What if it didn't have the ground? What if it no ground? I want to turn these streams into devlogs. Not devlogs, but just YouTube videos. Yeah, what if it's kind of like a little space fella? And then Robiffit is like another form of space fella, but robotized. I also was imagining that, what if it is like an axolotl under there? That's a little, behind the scenes. I'm a robot. What if it can fly? Robiffit is similar to steak in your language? What? What if it lore? Oh my god, there's what if it lore. Make a no gravity zone. We're making the game right now. And then when we finish the game and we save it, we're ready to make it crazy. So we're pretty close to being... We're getting there. Now, I'm pretty sure I already have a script for my platformer specific called Patrol. Maybe Patrol... Flip? Let me read what the script is. Yeah. I get it. Okay. So we have patrol. Now, all we really need to do here is add a box collider 2D and a rigid body 2D. I'm so glad that I made these scripts. It makes things so much easier. And now we just need to take the rigid body and we need a sprite renderer, a walk speed of 5. And then I think this fellow will just go. Ah! Oh! Robifit! Please! Well, guys. What can you do about that? What can you do about that? Turn it into an MMO with a huge open world crafting quest and dragons. Robifit has died. Make a British banana? I've been asking this the entire... Oh, a British banana. I need to go. I'll still watch the stream, but won't be able to talk. Good luck with the game, Fairlii. Thank you. Thank you. I can't make a British banana. I gotta make what if it. I gotta make the game. Also, let me check the Discord server to see if I see anything. Oh, someone drew a what if it. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, it's a baby. Thank you for drawing that red sword. All right. So we have an enemy that walks. And I believe if I add the patrol flip script. Oh. I think I know what this is. Hold on a second. Ah. So if I take my test block here and I put it back to 1. And then I add this to it. And then we duplicate it. And then we bring it over here. And we do that. I think this will... I think this, he will now... Yeah. Haha! Now, we have to decide. There's a decision that has to be made here, right? The decision is... How should what if it attack? Should what if it not attack at all? And then every episode we can just create a new way for him to attack? Maybe he doesn't attack at all? I think maybe there should be no attack. The only thing that happens is if you walk into this, it wrecks you. That should be the normal interaction. So that every single stream, we can make a new version of an attack. That's my plan. Now what we need to do is we need to add a health script. And what if it has 1 health? We'll just say is insta-kill. And we're gonna make a destroy command. The cat's meowing. We're gonna make a new script called I'm gonna just call it normal destroy. Meow. A water gun. And he sprays water at them. Whoa, what the freak? Sorry, my phone just opened up to TikTok. My Unity is like, it's frozen. It's like trying to open this script and it's being stupid. My phone is letting me know that there's a warning. Thunder warning. Is it gonna rain? Partly cloudy. It's 81 degrees outside. Dang. It be getting warm. Okay, now it finally opened. This needs to be a destroy command. And we're going to need to public override destroy action. And for now, we're just going to say destroy this dot game object. What if it was born in Curia? From a young age, he was forced to the bidding for various overlords. One day he escaped, aided by Kyuchun, who sent him to the training grounds of Utub. Now he must gather wisdom in order to go back to Curia and free it from the grasp of the overlords. But the overlords have sent evil robo-what-if-its after him to capture him. It's all in his hands. Go what-if-it! Dang, that was like an early 90s. That was like a Mario Brothers, like, description of a Mario game in, like, the manual that comes with it. Okay. So, we need this to add this destroy command, and we're just going to call it, and we're just going to grab the normal destroy, and then plop that in there. And inside our player controller here, I'm going to just add a thing that says on trigger enter 2D other if other dot. I guess I should make a new layer for the enemies. Let's do that. Layer is going to be enemy. And Robifit is going to be on the enemy later. Later. I'm gonna do this. You guys can't see what I'm doing right now. Enemy layer. Dot. Layer to name. If layer mask dot enemy. What am I saying? If name to layer enemy. There we go. Health dot. Okay, I need to get this. Need to go up here, and I need to get a public health. Health dot damage. Cool. Remember me, Fairlii? I'm back from committing arson in the UK. What? What is up with the UK today? Everybody in my stream's British. Enemy layer needs to be enemy. And then, yeah. And then health needs to be health. This should work. I should walk into Robifit and then it should just, what if it just goes away? Okay. You know what? We're just doing this. We're just doing this. Actually, I just needed to, sorry, my bad. My bad, innit? Right, now that should work, right? Maybe I should have made this part off stream. That's not the point of the stream. Point of the stream isn't to just not make things on the stream. Oh, did it happen? I wasn't looking. I think it happened though. Yep. What if it's gone? Goodbye. And a stream. So we should have this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just call this game stuff. And in the game stuff, we're gonna have a script called game stuff. And then in game stuff, we're gonna open that up, and hopefully this opens up quickly. It's opening up. It's trying. I missed the beginning of the live. What is the game Fairlii is making? I'm making a game that is a pretty generic platformer game. However, every single time I stream, we restart from it being just the basics of the game, and we add different modifiers to it. So every single stream, the game turns into something completely different and crazy. I have this little screen here called the What If It screen, where you'll be able to see these little dots here are the different modifiers. So far, we're just making the actual game itself, so there's no modifiers. But once we're done making the actual game, we can start adding some crazy modifiers. What's up, Abe? It's nice to see you again. So we're making a script right now called game stuff, and this script is going to have public int, and we're going to call it coins. So it's going to track how many coins we have. And then we're also going to have a public float. We're going to call it game over timer. And then public float game over timer, not Pulic. Game over timer max. And then we're also going to have a public bool is game over. And then we're going to add the update in here. And then we're going to say if is game over timer minus equals time dot delta time. And then now we'll say if game over timer is less than or equal to 0, we're going to say scene, actually going to say using Unity engine dot scene. Can you scene management? We're gonna say scene manager dot load scene. And then we're gonna put a public string scene. Right. Cool. That, and then is game over equals false. We're gonna make sure it does that. I'm also gonna do return so it doesn't run it more than once. Fairlii, do you have a Discord server? Yeah, there's a link to it in the description. Fairlii should make a Discord bot that lets members play a classic game like Pac-Man or Snake on Discord. That would be crazy. Fairlii, I sent you an image on Discord. Look at this. Thanks for using my name idea for the robot Robifit. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's a baby. Ah. Okay. Now, whenever we're going to go to Wodifit, and then I'm going to go to the health script. We're going to open it up, and we're just going to add a new public bool is player. And then we're going to say, sorry, I was not paying attention. If is player. We're going to be lazy, guys, okay? We're going to be so lazy. We're going to say find object of type. Oh, you're never supposed to use that. Game stuff dot is game over equals true. Scandalous. You're not supposed to use find object of type because it's laggy. Programmers hate him. And it's a picture of me. So now we can go to game stuff here and we can make the scene is just going to need to be the name of this scene. So it's just sample scene. So we're going to just say sample scene. Sample scene. And then game over timer max, we're going to say 2 seconds. And then we're going to go to what if it and then say that what if it is the player. And now when what if it is wrecked, it should trigger this, wait 2 seconds, and then reload the game. Yep. So there's a simple little restart mechanic. Now we're going to make another game object, and we're going to call it the win button. And it's a sprite renderer. I'm going to actually go into this thingy here and grab this. This is the good old win button. I actually want this to be lined up here. There we go. It's got 2 different sprites. There we go. And I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna export it. We're gonna call it win button. Export it, and then I'm gonna go to here, go to my sprites, and go win button. Then we're gonna hit multiple 16 because that's the pixels per unit that we're using for this project. It's the one I use for all my projects because I pretty much exclusively do that. Then I'm gonna grid by cell count, 2 columns, and it's gonna be centered on the bottom. And then now I can go to win button and add this sprite to it. Cool. Fairlii, yes. I actually need to do this. I'm going to do this now before I forget about it later. I actually need to make a sorting layer. I'm going to just call it sprites. And we're going to make sure that the things that need to be on the sprites layer are on the sprites layer. Layers, sprites, win button, sprites. Cool. Is the member only Q&A still happening? I want to do a member only Q&A. But I didn't know how many members would participate. I should just ask. What did you say? Fairlii, you want to know a secret? Click on the direct message icon a bunch for a surprise. I'm clicking it a bunch. You troll me? I think he trolled me. You trolled me. It didn't do anything. Nothing happened. Should make a noise in Discord. Oh, I have my like noises off. Because it's in streamer mode. So I think that turns all the noises off. I'll do it after the stream. The win button here. We're gonna just add win button. This. I'm making a game and I need your help. How can I make text stay in place without moving? Not being anchored to the screen? Are you making a 2D or a 3D game? $2D? Text stay in place without moving? What do you mean? Why is your text moving? You should be able to just like text Mesh Pro text. I gotta import the essentials. Hello? Like with the screen? Not being anchored to the screen, so you don't want it to be, so you don't want to use, you want it to be a physical object, you don't want it to be a UI object, correct? Like in a canvas? Yeah? I'm confused, because that's how the canvas normally works. If I make a canvas, and I add, unless I'm just confused about what you mean. And then I add this and I say hello. And I put it over here. Just gonna say hello over there. But do you mean like if I were to do that, it like doesn't stay? Or are the starter jellies still in the game? And jelly fields, yes, there will be the starter jellies. They will be, they're not going to be considered like starter jellies or anything because the game, you won't be able to choose your jelly anymore. Well, maybe. We'll have to see. I'm not fully finished with the jelly ideas yet. It's a lot of things changing. Okay. So the win button, we're gonna need to make it so that you jump on the win button and then you win. So we need to say we'll say on trigger enter 2D other. If other.get component player controller not equal to null. It's like lagging out. Then we're going to, we actually want to go to game stuff and then we're gonna say public void win game. We're going to, and then we need a public game stuff. Game stuff. Game stuff. Dot win game. Cool. Whoops. It's lagging out. So this should be good. Do you ever get around to doing the Fox Jelly that we made on stream a couple months ago? I don't know if that one will ever turn into anything. We'll have to see. Let's turn off Visual Studio here. Also, shout out to all 32 of you that are still around. Wow, that's a lot more than I thought would have stayed around. Awesome. Thank you, guys. It means a lot. Having a good time hanging out with you all. I want to finish this game so then we can just do something crazy with it. Right off the bat. So we got the win button. And then in this one right now, what we're going to do is we're just going to make a canvas here. And we're just going to make a empty. Actually, you know what I want to do? I wanted to make UI. I want to make a panel. And we're going to call this win. And then we're going to make sure that it's stretching to the whole thing. And then add a empty. Why am I dumb and I don't know where this is? I swear it was in, yeah, text mesh pro. Win text. We're going to say, you win. And we're going to make it like 52. Overflow. No, overflow disabled. You win. So then when you hit the win button, it's going to go to the game stuff. And it's going to have a public game object. Whoops. Public game object called win object. I'm going to make this super generic because we're going to mess around with it later. Please stop spamming. Yeah, no spam, please. We got the win object, so when you win game, we're just going to say win object dot set active true. And then we're going to find object of type, player controller. Actually, I'm going to, Yeah. We're going to have, on the win button here, we're actually going to set it so that you can't press it more than once. So we're going to say public bool has one. And then if has one. So if you haven't won, then you're gonna win. And we're making everything here super generic so that when we play the game, we can, well, when we make the what if it versions of the game, we can just do some crazy different things. It'll be fun. So let's go to our game and let's see if this works or if I forgot to do something, which I probably forgot to just attach something. First of all, this fella here, this Robiffit, we need to put him over there. We're gonna need to put our win button actually on the dang screen. And we're gonna go boing, and nothing happened. And that's because our win button doesn't even have a box collider. Okay. Let's see. Nothing. That's because I need to do this thingy. It's because I did a on collision enter 2D other. This dot component. There we go. This should work now. Okay, what if I have a death animation where he just turns into the Peter Griffin falling down picture? Honestly, might have to do that. I want to get crazy with this game. Will you be making any other jelly games in the future? I want to make a ton of jelly games, man. Oh, yeah, I didn't connect it. Okay, so the win button. No, wait, is it game stuff that's not connected? Game stuff needs to have the win object, which is this one. So now when you jump on this, it should be like, ba-bum! Ba-bum! I'm the winner! Should I add like a really like... Alright, has one equals true. We should add that into the game, like a really like bit crushed audio of me going, I'm the winner. It's like all nasty. All right, next thing that I want to do. We're going to get this coin. I guess we're going to do the ground last for some reason. It's kind of weird that we're doing the ground last, and I don't even know what we're going to do for the background. We're going to take this coin here, and then I'm going to export it as coin. And we're going to go to our sprites, and we're going to grab this coin and drag it in. Then we're going to say single 16, then none, point no filter. And it should be good. We're going to call it a coin. Whoa. Rename coin. 0. And we're going to create a coin. Guster. Me guster. The coin is going to have a sprite renderer with the coin sprite. It's a coin. I actually wanted to move up and down, but that's fine. We don't need to put it on its own thing. We do want to make this one a trigger. And we're going to say here, player controller. We're going to add a on trigger enter. I guess I have to get rid of this. On trigger enter 2D. Other. And then we're going to say if other dot game object dot layer equals. I guess I could just say collectible layer. I don't think I even need a coin. Oh, I don't even think I need a coin thingy dingy, whatever I'm thinking here. Because I don't need this. I literally just need health. Oh no, coin can stay. Coin can stay, because you know what we're going to do with coin. Alright, we're going to get this. We're going to get component health dot damage. Okay. How's it going? It's going good. What if it was a mobile game? Oh. What if it was a mobile game? I said that so wrong. I'm the one who created the idea and I forgot how it worked. I'm like, wait, it was a mobile game? Fairlii, I wanted to inform you the new input system is super easy to set up. in 10 lines of code, you can make a movement script that supports WASD, arrows, and controller. I'll need to look into it. What did I miss? We have a lot of the game done. We're just working on a couple of things before we work on visual stuff. Gonna make this a destroy command, and we're going to say right that. We're gonna be bad. We're gonna be naughty again, and we're gonna say find object of type game stuff dot coins plus equal or just plus plus. And then we're gonna say destroy this dot game object. Listen, guys, this isn't. Oh yeah. I wrote that because I was actually doing I was doing this, but the layer it is a layer mask, and nothing is wrong, by the way. How does the override function work? I'm new with Unity. How do I explain this in a way that is not making me sound stupid? So I have this script called destroy command. And it is a base, it's like the base class of this. And it has this function called destroy action. And if I want to make other scripts that use, it'll basically be like I'm always inputting this class, but it can have its own different code. So like, for example, this is the coin. It's still a destroy command, but it does this. And then a normal destroy is still a destroy command, but it does this. And then if I were in any script, I could apply one of those scripts in, and all I'll have to say is destroy command.destroy action, and it'll grab the script that is a destroy command. And then it'll do that action. Where did the name Fairlii come from? Andy, shut up. The point of me making this game on stream is so that I don't have to do anything by the books or correctly. The name Fairlii came from when I first made this channel, it was actually a gameplay channel. And my original username was Pexvi, and I liked having the II, but the Pexvi username had VII, so people thought my username was Pex7, and it kind of made me mad, and everybody always thought that, so I wanted a new username, but I wanted to keep the II, and I came up with the name Fairlii because I was like, I'm fairly funny, which is like the least funny thing to do. Don't know why I came up with it, but that was like 2017 or something. I don't remember when I made this channel. I made it a while ago. So yeah, there's a bunch of unlisted gameplay videos on this channel that I'll probably never show. Maybe I'll just let the members watch those videos. They're not that good. Those are the first videos uploaded on this channel before I turned to game dev. Okay. So I guess we'll just see if this coin thing is working. Yeah, Feral 2. This, okay, right? The coin, and this needs this, and then this needs to be that. There we go. And now if I were to go to my game stuff, I now have 1 coin. Cool. So we have that. We have the win button. We have getting wrecked by the Robiffit. We do not have a way for the Robiffit itself to get wrecked. So I guess we can just give it that, and then a normal destroy, and then its health amount is 1. That, and then do that. Okay. Oh yeah, forgot to change the window. I need to turn on the like thing that just shows whatever's in the front. Would if it be chonky? That would be cute. It's nice you did not have your username to be something like the coder or something stupid like that. It's me, the coder. Let's work on actual visual stuff now, because I'm pretty sure that's all the basics done. That's all the stuff that I wanted in the game. We have a win, we have a coin, we have an enemy, we have a lose. And now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna just make a like, let's just say 64 by 64. Oh, don't look at that. Sorry. I was doing work on other things. We want this one. I need to just close all of these. Because they don't need to exist at the moment. And then this one is different as well. This one is different as well. So is this one. And this one. And we need to get this. This is the basic tile set. Tile set also has this. And then this. Which I honestly might just do this. Just so this is easier for me to like make platforms here. Actually, let me do this. Right. 4? No. 4. No. I was confusing myself for some reason. There you go. So I can do that. And then I can just grab these and move those there. Cool. Do you have a name for the game? The game is called What If It? WADIFFIT. If you've joined late and you're confused, the stream will be up after, so you can watch it later. All right, let me bring you guys back to this, because this is where we're going, and we're just gonna call it tile set. We're gonna go in here, and then we're gonna go to sprites. Just gonna make a folder, tiles, tile set, and then we're gonna multiple 16. That. Now it's a bunch of tiles. And we can go here and we can create a 2D tile map. A rectangular. We're gonna actually remove the test block here. Ground, and then we're gonna go to 2D tile palette. We're gonna create a new palette, and we're just gonna call this ground. Create it. We're gonna just shove it into this folder. Drag this into here. Do that in the same folder. And now I can just start drawing tiles. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. And then we want to make a tile map collider 2D, and then a, what is that called again? Composite collider. Used by composite. And put this the ground layer. I didn't do that. Didn't do that quite right. Because I didn't make it static. Everybody like this stream. Yeah. There we go. Winner. Okay, cool. I'm the 100th stream. Whoa, the stream got 100 likes? What? 105? What the heck? That's crazy. I didn't realize that many people showed up. Go to player edit and check change play mode options. What? Wait, what? Do you want to reduce Unity playtimes like actually 0? Go into the player settings editor and change the box. Change play mode options? What? What does that do? I'm confused about what you're saying that it's doing. Also, I'm just watching everybody's going back and forth. Enter play mode settings? What? Oh. It makes a progress bar. Really? That's cool. Good. Because that's super annoying. Thank you, Andy. Andy's magic coming in. Okay. So we need to make animations here. I didn't mean to do that. Folder. Animations. Let me rename this folder. I couldn't spell it correctly. Okay. Actually, I have animator already. So we're gonna just say animation idle. I die, not I die. So we have idle, and then we have why am I like confusing myself? I'm just gonna call it move. Here in what if it, we need to, it doesn't have all the animations that it needs. There's just moving. Moving, jumping, and falling. Okay. I'm back from playing piano. You should use Cinemachine. Yeah, I'm gonna use Cinemachine for the camera. Speaking of, I should just do that. I should just do that already. It's got the Cinemachine brain, body, framing transposer. Look at you. A look at target is required. There you go. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. So we have that done. Sorry. I was confusing myself. This needs this and this. Animation. You guys can't see this. You'll just see it, him moving. Idle. I think the idle animation. We'll just say after a little bit. Kind of does that and then goes back to normal. It's a good enough idle, and then the move. It's going to. Let me actually do this. Hold on. Let's move this fella onto the ground so that when I do this, I can see this better. It's going to just go. Up. And then we want it to be a little bit quicker. I mean, it could walk like that. What would that look like? Hold on a minute. That's not what I was trying to do, but it looks kind of funny. Are you actually going to add animations? No, there's going to be no actual animations. I need to window. I need to get the animator. And I need to get you. And then we're just gonna do. I think idle is 0. Oh no, not layer. We're just gonna make a int called state. Just because this is how the system works. We're gonna do transitions here and then back. If state is equal to 0. If state is equal to 1. If state is not equal to 0. State is not equal to 1. And then we have to I don't know why I like to turn them off, but I still set it to 0 even though I turn it off. I like doing that. Oh, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the thing? Sorry. I'm trying to see a thingy. Okay. Here we go. I think there's another thing that I removed. Sorry, you guys can't see this. I need to actually find... Yeah. Right, okay. Sorry, I removed this when I made... Norio. Me when there's lines in the tile set, since you forgot to pack textures. I'm getting there. Let me do it now for you. Don't want to make Andy mad. Oh yeah, I need to okay. Whoops. Did that on accident. My bad. Okay. Now I need to actually make it so it actually works. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Not equal. It's not good. It's a not very good. Not just really fast. All right, let me do this differently here. That would be kind of nice if it's actually not too terrible. Need the that would be kind of ding 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 ding. I kind of like that style. Sorry, I'm just sitting here messing with stuff. Cool. I kind of like this. He like goes super fast. I actually hate it now. Let me redo this. Okay, so we want it to. We do want it to go up. I guess I can make it so that it's like. Basically the same thing we just did. I don't like it though. I think the scale is the part that I don't like. Maybe we can. That's cute. Ding 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 ding. That's it. And then we make a new animation and we call it jump. And we add jump and then I think jump. Yep. State equals 2. State does not equal 2. Alright, if I disable both of them, I don't need to freaking type the thing in. Bob's too fast for me. I think it looks pretty good. This isn't meant to be the world's greatest game. It's not even meant to be a good game. It's just meant to be a game. Animation, and then let's do the jump. So we want to start by having him be like this. And then real quick, like, actually want to set this to be like this. And then real quick, like, actually we're gonna do too slow. I don't like it. I think it has to. No. That's actually pretty good. I like it. Goodbye. You know what the game is yet? Are you figuring it out as you go? So, the way the game works, it's going to be a generic platformer game where you are going through a level, and it's very generic. But every single time I do a new stream for What If It, we come to this screen where we have the modifiers. You can see these little white dots on the right here. And every time that I stream, the game is going to start from this basic level where there's not much going on, and we're going to make it crazy so that every time we stream, it turns into a different game. Does that make sense? So right now, I'm making the actual game itself, the base that we have to start from, and then we'll go from there. So, the next thing that we want to do, I'm just going to prefab the coin. I'm going to prefab Robifit. And we're going to I'm gonna grab this. This is like my #1 thing that everyone should have if they're a 2D game developer in Unity. I'm gonna import it because it's the most important thing that you need. You need this. I guess it doesn't really matter if I do this. And then we're going to make a empty particle system. I'm just gonna make a folder for my particles. Kind of like doing that. And we're gonna go to new material, pixel. I'm gonna just type it in all these times because I like doing that. It's nice. Okay. And then we're gonna go here, here, and we're gonna just do that. Ah. Whoa. Lag. And this is gonna be a burst. Let's give it 2 seconds. And the size 0.2. Whoops. Cool. I want it to be because at the start lifetime, I want it to be like 3 seconds. Cool. Uh-huh. It just turns blue. No. We want this to actually be like I actually kind of just want the gravity to be a constant. Because then we can add like cool. And then we can just do the reverse of this. Whoops. My bad. And then we'll emit like 10 to 15 of them. Sorry for not responding to messages, guys. The animation style reminds me of Firebelly Games' style. He mostly animates an editor. Do you know of him? I think I'm subscribed to him. It's a very quick way of doing things. Unity's particle system is a great system for creating particles for your games. Yep. And then I want the shape of this to be a rectangle. There we go. We're gonna call this game over particles. Can't forget to make stop action destroy. Whoops. That, and then this normal destroy. We're gonna go into it and we're actually just gonna say public game object destroy particles, and then we'll say if Yeah. Destroy particles are not equal to null. Instantiate destroy particles that transform position. Can't type. Okay. Now, what if it here is gonna have these particles when they get destroyed? And I actually want to open this up here, and then sorting layer. We're gonna add a new one. We're gonna call it front. Now let's see. Whoops. I actually have to have the Robifit actually run into me. Oh, it's because... Did I really not change it? It should be 2? Really? Hold on a second. What the heck did I do wrong here? Oh. Duh. Alright, now I just have to turn the loop off, and that should be good. Looping, nope. And then we'll just set this to be 2 seconds again. Cool. And it just flies off the map. Whee. And Robifit should have an animator. And Robifit's animator should have just the move, right? So it should just be doing that. Oh, wait. Whoops, my bad. Guys, we did this. We did it wrong. We did it wrong because we have to do sprite. Sprite renderer. Robifit, and then we have to remove this one, and then here we just take that and put that there. Then, oh yeah, I didn't even save that. Let me just delete that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll fix this, guys. We fix this. There we go. Perfect. So when is the fun gonna happen? Soon. I'm really close. We need to, I'm gonna make one more particle and then another animation, and then I think we're ready to do our first crazy goo goo gaga moment. I'm gonna make a new one of these. It's gonna be like this exact same thing, but it's going to be coin particles. We're gonna put it here as an original prefab. I basically just want to make this very tiny, and then no gravity. Gonna have this loop. We're gonna make the start lifetime between 0.2 and 0.3. And then the size. actually want to make this. It's not look great. I feel like they need to like actually move in a wake. That's kind of neat. Let's see. We need to actually add that. Destroy particles. Instantiate. Destroy particles that transform to a position. Quaternion identity. Cool. Okay. I've returned. Welcome back, Red Sword. Sorry that I'm not reading chat that much. I'm just trying to finish this up for you guys. Trying to do this nice and quickly here. And then we have to open this up. Whoops, I'm doing the wrong thing. Apply all, open, do that, and then remove that. We'll see if this works. Honestly, if you have a bunch of these, I guess I'll just have 3. Looks fine. Looks fine to me. All right, the win button here is the last thing that we're gonna mess with. Pretty sure. And we're just gonna add an animation to the win button. Animations. Win button. And the animation we're gonna add, well actually there's 2 of them because we want an idle. Actually no, we don't even need an idle. We just need win. Win button, and then add that to it. And then the animation is literally just gonna do this. The sprite is just gonna boop. I guess I can make it a little bit fancier. We can have it like playing that song again where there's talking and I don't like it. Sure. And then we just want to make a empty, and then that's the default, and then trigger win. This will go to that if win. Ta-da! And then win button. We need to say that public animator anim Hacha. And then we need the win button, animator. Kacha, pacha, pow, 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 pow. Yay. Yay. Should we make a generic level? I feel like we should make a generic level. The game name is What If It? WADIFFIT. The idea of the game is every time we do the stream, the game is going to start from the basic beginning part of the game, where all there is an enemy, a coin, and a stage. And every time we stream, we're going to make the game something completely different. All right. We have like basically a few more little things to do. I want to make this. I want to make edge blocks here, so we can actually have pits and add those to here. I'm gonna do it this way so I can see it better. No, I'm actually gonna do it this way so it's easier. I don't know what I'm doing. Which one did I grab? All right, there we go. Okay. And then I think that's all I need. So I can then export this. Then we can go to our sprites, our tiles. I need to do this. Work. This. And then do that. And then do this and do this. Cool. Grid by 16 and 16. But bang, bang, bang. And now if I wanted to, I could like do like, oh wait, I gotta add them into this. Reuse. And now I can do like that. Cool. Okay. We've done it. We've done it. So we have this. We do need to make I didn't think about a background. I guess we can. What colored sky should we do for this? I don't know what color sky would look good. What about a pink sky? Oh. Sorry, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Purplish blue. I can do it one color like that. I don't know what I want to do for the sky color. I might honestly just change the generic, the Unity background. I'll just choose you. Looks good to me. Ha! Alright, so we need to do 2D tile palette. We need to make it so that you cannot escape. This is an unescapable world. You are not allowed to leave. This is your fate. You're stuck here for an eternity. You're just here to complete the challenge that you're given, and that is all. Oh, I realized that I didn't. Oh no, I did add the. All right, we can have it be really simple. I want to get the movement down good, so I want it to be so that you can make these jumps pretty easily. Cool. Let's actually take the win button and move it somewhere else. It's annoying me. We're almost done, but there's still more things to do. There's always more to do with video games. Shoot. Oh, this. We want to say that, so that the animation will be faster when you're running. Cool. And then we need to add a 2D, material 2D. I'm just gonna call it material. No friction. Put that on you. Do you have to put it on the person or the thing? I'm stuck here forever. Okay. That's pretty good. I think the jump height should be 3. A little bit that. And like move a little bit slower. And then your run speed should be. Let's see if that works. I actually need to just change this completely because I forgot that I normally do this. Forgot about that. Now I'm gonna have to edit a whole thing because my Jump height, maybe like 10 now. 9.5. I want him to be able to jump 1.5 blocks tall. Good. That's good for me. The return speed is a bit. And the speed build itself. Not fast enough. Let's make that faster and make that faster. And then there should be coyote time, yeah. Maybe I should make him actually be able to jump up 2 blocks. Yeah. Yeah. Let's have him jump up 2 blocks so that you can actually get out of 11.5. So you can actually get out of if you fall down into like a pit. Okay. The run speed feels just a little bit too fast. Shoot. Just did a stupid thing. Okay. We'll put these right here. Start off, give you a few coinage. Now what we need to do is we need to actually go to our canvas and we need to add text mesh pro, and we need to just say, actually we won't say anything, we'll just do this. Empty. I don't want empty, I want a UI image of a coin, and we're gonna make it like, how big is that? That's fine. I'm gonna rename this coins. And then under that, we're going to add a UI text mesh pro. Put it to the right. And then a 0. I'm not updating the font because I'm lazy. I actually don't. And then we want this to be top left. Good. And then we just need the game stuff to be using TM Pro. And then we want a public text mesh pro GUI coin text. We're just gonna do this in update, guys. Actually, no, I'll just public void get coin. coins plus plus coin text dot text equals coins dot to string. Okay. Everybody in chat's just going crazy. And then we need to go to our, back down to our world here, to our coin. Open the coin up, do that. And then game stuff dot get coin. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me actually get out of this prefab. I didn't add the thingy to the thingy. Okay. What am I doing? Game stuff? Coin text is this. Let's actually rename this to be coin text. Let's see. Beep, beep, beep. There you go. Now you can see how many coins that you got. Yay! We need to extend this over a bit. All right, let's build this actual level. Kind of want to do something like that. Maybe like this. It's gonna be a pretty much a straight line. And then right here, we'll do a 2-block hole. Pit of despair. Now I've just realized the problem that the pit of despair, how it's not gonna destroy you because I haven't made a script that just kills you if you walk into it. I guess I could just do this. I think this would work. I just take this and put it on the enemy layer. Let's see. Yep. I won, guys. I did it. Wow, we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. Window, 2D, tile palette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're almost ready to like actually be done with this, so then we can start going goofy from the get-go. Let's do this. Let's actually do this. This is gonna be an interesting idea. I kind of want to like Be like that. And that will be 1, 2, 3. Then one there. We go like that. Then pull that down. Grab that. And then we'll just kind of need to just take this. I'm gonna rename this as destroy zone. We could just kind of drag this bad boy over. Boing, boing. Cool. And then we're gonna do this. 2D tile palette. What the heck am I doing here? Window. 2D tile palette. Okay. We're gonna go like this. And then we're gonna actually just do this. How big should I make it? Maybe like this big? Yeah. We'll make it that big. Okay. Fairlii, ever played Roblox? Yeah. Yeah, man. I've played the Roblox. We're gonna add a Robific, guys. Right there. And we're gonna create a Robific turn around. And we're just gonna grab the I don't remember what the script's called. Okay. Control flip. I think maybe that'll just work. I think that'll just work. Fairlii, there's a lot of cool fan art in the Discord. Oh, shoot. I'll look at it in a second. I'm just trying to finish this level so that the game is done, and then we can start going into absolute crazy town. They're fast. That is a fast boy. I need to turn this. This boy is zooming too fast. I'm gonna do that, but it's gonna look a little bit weird. He's gonna be kind of walking in place for 1 second. It should wait a second now before it turns around and goes the other direction. There we go. So you don't want to run into that fella. And then now we need to... Let's say the level's going to be that long. No, that might be too long. We'll make it just super quick. A super quick level. Alright, I have one other little section that I want to do. I want to have it be like... another little area with the Robific there. This would be a kind of an interesting idea. No Robific here, but one in here. But if you want to, you can jump up here and avoid it. I can actually just take this that. Will this game have a video for it? I do want to make videos for this game. I think that'll be fun. We could have like a whole little series of all of the crazy creations that we've made in this game. Should we have a very Mario-esque finish? Where you have to like climb up this, and then up this, and then up this. And then you jump onto the button. Actually, should add a little bit more to this. There. It's a really short level. There you go. You jump onto the button. And then we're just going to add wall. And then that. And then this will just continue on into infinity. Sit with that. And then we're gonna add a bunch of ground. Cool. And then now we need to add a Robifit here. There we go. We boing, boing. Wow. We need to have a thing to make him turn around. We boom. Perfect. Now we just need to take this, put that there, take this, put that there, and then we'll take some coinage. You have to use the coins to guide the players. Mario Maker rules. Everybody knows the Mario Maker rules. The reward for going down here is there's 2 coins. And then we'll get coins here. And then I think I could make it so that they can reach that. Can they reach that? These coins are too high. I don't know why I made them so high up. I don't know why I'm not just grabbing them all. Good. I think we're done. I think we might be done. You can't get that one unless you like are God Gamer. Oh, what happened? Something happened. Oh, shoot. Okay, yeah. I forgot about this. I gotta make an actual layer. Call it coin. That's actually gonna bother me if I don't call it coins. with an S. Coins. And then we need to go here, and then here, and then this collectible layer is coins. A close-up picture of what if it? Oh, shoot. The coins are no longer... The coins are no... What? Wait, what? I think it's because I did the thingy wrong. Let me see. Alright, this should work. Yeah, I'm gonna check the Discord for the fan art, and I'll send a picture, the actual sprite of What If It, and then we'll actually make the first What If It. Alright, there should be no more bugs. Trying to see if there's any bugs left. Yay! It's possible to jump twice. That's okay. Doesn't matter. We did it! We did it! We did it! Now, what I need to do is I need to actually take this. Yes, we're gonna what if it time. I'm gonna need like a what if it song. So I need to actually grab Unity. Copy this. I need a what if it song. Which song on my computer can I use for this? Let's see. Do I have like a game show-esque song? We could use jazz. We could use... What is this one? How loud is this gonna be? No? That doesn't seem like it'd be good. This one? No. Yeah, we'll use this music because this is the music that I used to use for things. Okay, I can't start the music yet. It's still copying the folder over. So in the meantime, I'm gonna look at this fan art. Oh, you guys are just drawing. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's so cute. You got Noble, you got my logo, you got a jelly, you got a skeleton, you have the Jelly World Man, you even have Hingewood Tumble in the background. My, you're a big fan. That's so cute. That was drawn by Gato Dykes20. I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. GATODIXE20. Justice player. Look at this. Doing, 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 doing. That's great. That was drawn by GamerKid CJ. Thank you for that. There's a bunch of people just posting general art. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. It's Woodifit, but it has... It's wearing a party hat. Robifit hurt. It's got a hurt. It wears a fishbowl to breathe. And it's very axolotl-y. It has a body now. Whoa. That's cool. That was drawn by Dumb Potato. Oh, they actually color... Whoa, okay, wait a minute. Things are happening. It's got colors now. That's adorable. I love it. Good job. Good art. I'm still copying the files. Still copying the file. Here you go. I made music. I'll listen to it after the stream. Sorry. I don't want to play something on the stream that I'm not 100% sure of. This is taking so long. It's taking so long. What if a big image is needed? Oh. I don't really have a big image of it, but I can do this. I could just send the actual sprite itself and Robifit. Does that work? Does that work? Dang. Should we save the first ever What If It for next week? I want to do it when everybody's here. And there's only 20 people left. Not even 20 people. It keeps dropping below 20. Dang. We can do a special one. We can do a test run, okay? We'll do a test one. Hi, Tao. No, we'll do a test one. We'll do a test one. It won't be it won't be too many things, but we'll do a few things. We'll do a few things. A test, yeah, a test, so we can see how this goes. I'm still waiting for all of these full files to copy over. Yeah, let's get our what ifs while I wait for this. All right. The music is playing. Submit. Submit to me. Okay, feel free to start typing in your what ifs. And I guess I'm just gonna pick ones that I'm thinking are crazy. What if Scrap Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's 6 is the background for a level? Oh no. What if Minecraft Pringles? I like Minecraft Pringles. What if Fairlii changed the tiles to random images? Is there a good image that I can find online of Minecraft Pringles? Yeah, I mean that's a good image. I think I gotta do that. Minecraft Pringles. What if it was a mobile game ad? Oh shoot. Idea, the floor is lava. What would you do? What if it was wide? I did say that we should do that. Was wide. What if it was made in MS Paint? If it was all in a dream. Command blocks? I can't use command blocks. It's bothering me that I didn't put a space here. What if the enemies became various different objects? What if it was really fast? Okay, I think we got 3. We can add more than 3. Was really fast. A RoboFit cultist that summons RoboFits? This is too much. Okay, this is... What if coins kill you? Ooh, we have to save that. We have to save that. This is gonna be our test, what if it? So we gotta save... We gotta save it. What if you can make a sound of you screaming and put it in the game? Okay. I'll add a 4th one. I'll add a 4th one. I screamed. Touch the button, self-destruct, but still win. These are really good ideas. I just don't want to use all the good ideas on the secret one. You guys have to save that for a future stream. We're gonna do these ones. What if it had the art remade by the community? That would be crazy. Save that one. We need these for the big time. Just sharp cheddar. You know what? Let's do sharp cheddar. Sharp cheddar. Okay. We gotta go. Alright. Alright, Minecraft Pringles. I need to download an image of Minecraft Pringles. Minecraft Pringles. That's how you spell that. Does this file... Can I even import this file into Unity? Does this even work this way? I don't even know if I can put this into Unity. So we have Minecraft Pringles, wide, fast. I screamed, and sharp cheddar. I don't even have the ability to add sound effects into this, but we're gonna do it. So I guess, what if it should become Pringles? And wide? Let's see. I can't put the Pringles. Dang it. You know what? Is this a normal image? It's a WebP. I don't know if WebP works in Unity, but we're gonna find out. Nope. No. Do I need to convert this? Oh, I gotta open Photoshop and I have to convert it. We're gonna do it. We're doing it. It's gonna work, guys. It's gonna work. Trust me. Trust me. We're gonna put my... Okay. Open... Yeah, we're gonna get that, and we're gonna just save that as that. Pringles. There we go. Then we go back to here, and then we grab this, and then we make it 16. Gotta make sure it's 16 pixels per unit, guys. All right, what if it Sprite? Pringles. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, the cats are fighting. They don't like what's going on. Wait, it needs to be small enough. And it needs to be centered at the bottom. Oh god, it's so tall. What do I do? There you go, like that. But now we have to make it wide. No. We have to make the entire thing wide. Including... That's including the collider. We actually need to change the collider so that it fits the new shape. We gotta change the ground collider. Where is it? There you go. To fit the new shape here of what if it is, hey, I feel bad for this guy. So, boom, what if it was wide and Minecraft Pringles is good. Really fast. Alright, we can do really fast. To do really fast, all we need to do is go to the player controller. Change the move speed to 15. And then change the run speed to 25. Then we grab a Robiffit. Change its walk speed to 25. Flip timer 0. Doesn't have a timer. Okay. What if it was really fast? Done. All right, now we'll do sharp cheddar. Okay. Sharp cheddar. Sharp cheddar cheese. PNG. Okay, cheese. Is this good? Oh, that's not a PNG. You know what? We're rolling with it. All right, open the coin here. Cheese. There you go. You know what? The size is a little bit. Oh God. We can do this. We can do this. No. There we go. Cheese. It's cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. And then I need a scream? Oh no. What would the scream even be? Okay. I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna scream. I'm just going to make a noise. Into Audacity. I can't scream because it's gonna hurt everyone's ears on the stream. I'm gonna do this though. Okay. There's not even sounds in this game. We're adding sounds to it. Scream. Add that bad boy in there. We're gonna make it when you get killed. When anything gets just like, okay. Public audio source. Audio source. If audio source is not equal to null, audio source dot play dot clip dot play clip. I don't remember how you do this. Is that how you do it? Oh no, I get it. I did that wrong. Play one shot. Audio source dot clip. Is that how that works? I think. And then what if it's gonna add a audio source and the clip is this. Turn the volume down. That okay, we've done it all. What if it was Minecraft Pringles? What if it was wide? What if it was really fast? What if I screamed? And what if it was sharp cheddar? All right. Let's see what we've created. Are we all ready to see what we've created? I need to make sure. You didn't hear that? I need to not do that. You didn't hear that? Okay. So something happened. It's the animation. It's the animation. Okay. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix it. $500? What's the actual? Oh, this baby needs to be 200. No. 250. We're rolling with it. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot. I'm getting the cheese. Give me the cheese. You can't even see anything. Oh shoot, it's so fast. I can't even get hit by them. It's too fast. I win. It needs to be fast. You're correct. It needs to be very fast. 100. And the run speed needs to be 200. And I need to be able to fall down holes. I'm too wide. Okay. Oh shoot. I don't know what how I am. I don't know how I got in here. I don't know how I got there. Oh no. I'm pressing it very gently. Very gently. 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 It didn't play the audio. No. I need to put the audio on a different... Oh no. Dang it. Oh, I'm not gonna do it. But I'll let you guys listen to the audio. How do I play it? Can I like play it? I can play it here. Hold on. It didn't play. It doesn't play in the game, and I don't have the patience to fix it right now, but this is me walking. Oh, I can get out of the map. I swear I can get out of the map. Uh-oh. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna see what happens when I run. Goodbye. Gone forever. Do you guys want to play this? Do you want me to make... Do you guys want me to, like, build this so you can play it? I don't think you want to play this. I'll build it. Build settings. Build. Unity. Seems like a funny experience. It's a whole 5 seconds of gameplay. Fairlii, I just joined the stream. Why is there Pringles? You just gotta wait for the video to come out or watch the stream. Probably just need to watch the stream back. Okay, it's building everything. I need to, we need to clear the, what if it board. We'll put it back to 3. Build 1. Okay. Please do another. This is very fun. This is all we're going to do for today. There's also no way to exit the game, so that's that's great. And then I'm gonna send this to a compressed zipped folder. I'm not member anymore. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're not a member anymore. Okay. So, that was the first What If It. I've been streaming for over 3 hours. Next Wednesday, the stream will probably be scheduled on Monday, but next Wednesday we are gonna go crazy with the What If It. And I'm going to upload this build and you'll be able to play it. Sorry that I'm like being blah blah blah. I'm tired. Been talking for the past 3 hours straight. Thank you all so much for watching. Whoa, my voice. Oh shoot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day, night, whatever. Goodbye.